Hey, Robert Tyler coming to you from International BMW. Just wanted to send this video to you and say thank you for calling in earlier today. I appreciate you giving me a shout. Wanted to go over the build sheet on the car that we talked about and then walk around it, show you the paint, show you the tires, get those initial questions answered, and then we can just pick up conversation from there. So we have a 2016 BMW X5 xDrive 40e. We got 30,131 miles on the odometer. Let's zoom in there a little bit. And from here, we're working with luxury line, driver's assistance package, premium package, cold weather package, luxury seating package, multi-contour seating. You've basically got heated power, everything, navigation, all that good stuff. So I'll put that right there for now. I want to show you the check control system so that you know that everything's green across the board. All right, there's our TPMS, and forgive that little glare there. That's an automatic flash right now. And then if I come in here, there we go, get over there off to the side. Check control, everything, all the systems are green across the board. So I just want to go through and take a look at the leather here and show you that basically the point is that this is the driver's seat, the most important one. So there's very little stress cracking at all. There's like none of it. And the leather's super clean. Passenger seat, take a look at the back here. Same deal. It was really well maintained. You got tons of space when those fold down. This is a 40-20-40 split, so you can pass through that set of cup holders there in the back and armrest. And the whole car's got this really nice ambient lighting system here. So if I shut this door and the other one, come around the back, we'll be able to see it a little easier. All right, so now you can get kind of a look at the door there. And all of that color is customizable. You got winter floor mats that come with this entire thing, and then you can close it and lock it up from the back if it is your last stop. We'll close this. You've got these little ridges here on the door handle. You have what's called comfort access, keyless entry. So all you have to do is just throw the key in your pocket and touch the door handle. It'll lock and unlock for you. And then in the summer, when you want to roll down the windows, you just hold the unlock button. All those come down. You hit the lock button, all of them roll up. Well, I guess you could do it in the winter too, but that's personal preference there. So paint. Overall, I looked around the entire car. Only thing that I could really find was right here. And I'll take a better picture of it and send it to you. But it's one little chip right there that needs to be filled. And then I don't even think this is a clear coat issue at all. I think it's just some stuff that we could clay bar out. But this right up here looks like we just had something that was like sitting there, might have worked its way through the clear a little bit, or it's still stuck there. But a little bit of Goo Gone and or clay bar should be able to take care of that. I'd recommend, well, to our detail guys, we'll have them clay bar it one more time and give it a nice wax after a bath, and you should be good to go. Last but not least, tires. Right here, they are new. So I know you had a question about how much tread was there. You can get a look at my fingers right there. I've got plenty of tread there. So don't want you to sweat that. That's all I got for you right now. I'm gonna bundle this up into a link, send it to you in an email, and we'll pick up the conversation from there. I'll also attach a couple of photos. Desk phone is 414-727-6761, and my cell phone is 414-212-5572. Reach out, let me know if you got any questions.